In this video, we'll see how to simulate and test keyboard events using Magic Inspector. Nowadays, keyboard events are everywhere. For example, if you go to tailwindcss.com, you will see this search bar. As you can see, if I press Command K, this will open the search bar. And then, as mentioned here, we can press Escape to close the search bar. Let's simulate and test this behavior using Magic Inspector. I will go to my Magic Inspector editor. To simulate and test this behavior using Magic Inspector, I would just have to use the Use Keyboard Action type. The Use Keyboard Action has two modes that you can switch by clicking on this icon here. As you can see here, I'm using the Type method. When I use the Type method, the AI will simply simulate a key press on the keyboard for every single character. And this is especially useful for autocomplete, as we covered in another video. But today, that's not what we want to use. We want to use the press method instead. Unlike the type method, the press method will simulate the user is pressing a combination of keys. So here, if I want to simulate a Command K, I will click on the input and then I will press at the same time both keys on my keyboard, like this. And as you can see, the input is automatically filled with the value of the keys I pressed. Here, just for this tutorial, we'll add another use keyboard event. This time, we'll keep the type method and type something in the search bar. For example, input. And after that, we want to close the search bar. And to do so, we'll simulate a key press on the escape key. Let's add a new instruction of type use keyboard. Let's switch to press mode and press escape. Let's run our test. As you can see, the search bar opened. We typed something in it and then we closed it. And boom, that's how you can simulate keyboard events using Magic Inspector. I wish you a happy testing and a good rest of your day.